Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today we are doing a low bun, a sleek low bun with some flat twists. Yeah, so this is very thick hair that I'm starting off by blow drying, mainly because the hair is not that long, so I know it's not going to hold very easily, and it is a lot of hair, and also it is very thick. Yes, it is so thick. So yeah, this is proper type for C that I am working on today, but it's beautiful hair, you guys. Like the volume and like you can feel that the width of the hair is quite thick. I don't know if it's making sense. Okay, so first I am doing some flat twists. But yeah, this is how I do flat twists when I'm doing on a client. Normally, I do it as if I am doing cornrows. I will do a slower video for you, don't worry. But yeah, so I'm doing a few lines of flat twist on the side. This is just to add some flair to the hairstyle. Really, nothing more than that. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming to watch my videos, for commenting. I know a lot of you comment and watch each and every of my videos. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. And if you're watching and not commenting, why? Like, why? Please comment. Let me know how you're feeling, how you're doing. Let me know where you're watching from and what you like about my videos. Like, just let me know. It is really important that you comment on my videos. And yeah, give me a thumbs up as well. That's also very important. That I will appreciate so much. So now I'm slicking the hair. You can see that it is very thick, and I'm doing like layer by layer. Can you see how thick it is there? It is very thick and it's not very long. So I'm using a lot of product. Yeah, you gotta use a lot of product when you are laying down thick hair like this, which is also not too long. So I'm using Got2b glue. I'm using Jabustone to gel it down. I am also using Eco Styler gel. I'm using Dax. All these products have got their part in this hairstyle. Yeah, it is quite challenging to lay it down, but it did. We managed to lay it down. Okay, so the other thing as well that you may want to know is that you could actually come to Nasha Hair Studio and do your nails whilst you do your hair. That's what my client is doing today. She is also doing her nails. We've got a nail technician in the salon. So when you come to do your hair, make sure to book nails as well so that you can kill two birds with one stone. You don't need another appointment for that. Yeah. Okay, so I've got another set of flat twists that are going the opposite direction. And yeah, it's also just add some flair. I know it could have been easier to sleek this hair down without those flat twists because now the hair is segmented and it doesn't flow together to the back. So that is one of the reasons why it was also quite difficult to sleek the hair down. But we managed. Then that's what matters in the end. That's what matters, that you manage. The hairstyle comes out, and she kept it for over a week actually. So that was amazing. She loved the hairstyle as well, as much as I loved creating it. I applied product to that whole section, and now I'm just slicking the hair down bit by bit, like uh, literally bit by bit, layer by layer. Yeah, this hair gave me quite a hard time to try to lay down. Can you see how it's just curling back? Yep. But in the end, we managed to do quite a good job, and I love the outcome as well. And I found that when you're dealing with very thick hair and which is not too long as well, that you can tie it into a ponytail very easily, it is best to lay the hair bit by bit and also to apply heat so that it hardens very quickly and it doesn't curl back up. Once I started doing that, well, it was so much easier because now the hair was not curling back. Like applying product and then smoothing it down, like literally slicking it with a bow brush and then applying heat. That actually helps. So that is why I am applying heat. I'm using a blow dryer here to apply heat to make sure that the hair doesn't curl back up. Can you see this side? It is much flatter. It is much more sleek down than the other side that I started with. I had to redo the other side actually. You're going to see now. Yeah, so now I'm just redoing the other side to make sure that it is also as sleek down as possible. And then to finish it all off, I'm using a Darling Vibration hairpiece. Yeah, this is just this hairpiece just adds volume, like so extra. Like, oh my goodness. And I love it for that. I've actually run out and I have to get some more. So yeah. I'm just tying down the hairpiece here using some yarn. So I'm just trimming it so that it's not all over the place. She was already complaining that, hey, don't trim too much. She loves big hair. So she was complaining already. She was like, please don't cut it too much. I want big hair. But yeah, this is the hairstyle. I loved it. She loved it. And this is how it came out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I put on this channel. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.